Gas was great. Our final rally against the oppressive regime that has brought hunger and starvation upon Nigeria, upon the inhuman regime that has made it impossible for young people to get jobs when they get out of school, against the very wicked leaders in Nigeria that don't pay salaries, against the very, very capricious political class in Nigeria that only reward themselves with maximum wage when they contest minimum wage for workers. Our political party, the African Action Congress, AAC, is here to liberate Nigeria in 2 days. And we have come to call on Nigerians to use their permanent voters card, PVC, to punish Nigerian wicked leaders. We cannot continue to reward them with social and political promotion when they are failing us. As you can see, even the world is laughing at us. Today, or was it yesterday, that CNN carried the headline that Nigeria has the youngest population in Africa, but they are ruled by old, haggard people. How long shall we continue to allow ourselves to be disgraced like this? Young people of Nigeria, old people of Nigeria, weak people of Nigeria, oppressed people of Nigeria, we are calling on you. Vote out Buhari on Saturday. Don't vote for Atiku on Saturday. If you vote for Buhari, you are voting for an invalid person. If you are voting for Atiku, you are voting for thieves. Vote for Omoyele Sowore. AAC. Our political party is number 3 on the ballot paper. AAC, and our logo is the 2 hands. 2 hands in the background of a sunshine. Nigeria's glory is about to arrive. Nigerians must take this glory with their 2 hands. We must reject those who are grooming away our lives. And we must reject those who are pretending to cover us with an umbrella that is leaking. AAC, the journey has just started, but today is Valentine's Day. And we decided that we will hold this rally in Lagos on Valentine's Day so that Nigerians can fall in love with freedom. Nigerians can fall in love with freedom. Isoleto! Isoleto! In Africa! Isoleto! In Africa! Africa is going to experience freedom, and the black race is going to be proud of us again. So that's only if we're able to convince our parents, our brothers, our sisters that Saturday is the final date with history for the oppressor of Nigerians. All the oppressors of Nigeria will be disgraced on Saturday. And a new political party will surprise them on Saturday. That is the African Action Congress. As you know, we are the party that can guarantee you 24 hours of electricity. We are the party that is willing to pay workers 100,000 naira per month. And we mean it. We are the party that will provide good roads in this country. We are the party that will send your children to school and make it free from primary school to university. AAC, we are the party of employment, not party of unemployment. We are the party of health, we are the party of education, we are the party of agriculture, we are the party of technology, we are the digital party of Africa. AAC, don't forget to vote for number 3 on the ballot paper. Number 3 on the ballot paper, AAC on Saturday, and victory is guaranteed. You will have a brand new President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on Saturday. Thank you. Let's proceed to Ojota right now. Thank you. See, with our PVC, will be permanently vibrating on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
With our PVC, will permanently eviscerate on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
With our PVC, will permanently destroy oppression on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
With our PVC, will permanently decimate oppression on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
And most importantly, with our PVC, we are retiring some 2 major old people who have been part and parcel of the destruction of Nigeria since 1958. 1960. 1960 for 58 years. Actually 59 years now. We are sending Buhari back to Daura on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
We are sending Atiku back to Adamawa on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
We are taking back our country on Saturday. You know, when we were campaigning around the country, they said that some people own Lagos. And we told them that Lagos is our own.
Yes, sir.
And that we will celebrate Lagos with the color of red.
Yes, sir.
And that means that there will be a revolution in Lagos today. The revolution has happened now.
No!
It will finally be delivered to the doorsteps of our oppressors on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Let me wish you guys happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, sir. AAC! 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 Take it back! Take it back!
AAC, come Saturday. Our party is number 3 on the ballot paper. Number 3.
Number 3.
1, 2, 3. For the presidency. Don't go down the ballot paper, don't go to the left or right. It's right there, number 3. You count 1, 2, 3. And you vote with your index finger. This is the finger you vote with. Actually, INEC says that you can vote with any finger, but our preference is this one, right? And so that you don't stain the ballot paper and they don't condemn your votes. They know already that they cannot win this election. And they are using all kinds of means. We also encourage you that regardless of what they have said, take your device with you. Take your cell phone with you to the voting unit, to the polling unit. Capture whatever you can capture so that we can use that as evidence against them if they try to rig us out of this election. But I tell you, there's nobody who can rig us out because our time has come. And if they make any attempt to rig on that day, well, good luck to them. Because we are talking about young people voting now against old, antiquated, tired and retired people. Greater Nigeria people. When I say great Nigeria, I want them to hear in Aso Rock because they are coming there. Please let it sound very, very loud. Let it be very, very strong, your response. Greater Nigeria people. Greater Nigeria people. Greatest of the greatest Nigeria people. Are you ready for the revolution? Are you ready for the revolution? Are you ready for the revolution? The revolution is happening on Saturday, February 16, 2019.
Now is the time to take it back.
It is our turn to take our country back. And that day is also my birthday.
Happy birthday in advance to our president. President. Happy birthday to you.
Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. This is one of our numerous stops today in Lagos and this very fantastic Revolutionary Now rally. We are heading next to Ojota, but it's not just Ojota, it's Gani Fawemi's Freedom Park. Because Gani is the one who started what we're about to finish now.
Yes, sir.
And we owe it to him. We owe it to his doggedness, his resilience, his resistant nature, and his indefatigable personality to end it at his place today.
Yes,
so let's proceed to Ojota, Gani Fawemi.